Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your SimplyHired job alerts step by step clearly. To activate your SimplyHired job alerts, start by visiting the SimplyHired website. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the job title or keyword related to your desired position. Next, select the location where you would like to find job opportunities. Click the search button to view the results for your job search. On the results page, look for the Get Job Alerts option. Click on this option to open the job alert settings. You will need to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. If creating a new account, fill in your personal details as requested. Once logged in, you will see options to customize your job alerts. Choose how often you want to receive alerts, such as daily or weekly. You can also specify additional filters such as job type and salary range. After configuring your preferences, review the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Activate Alerts button to confirm your settings. You will now receive job alerts based on your chosen criteria. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding your new job alerts. You are all set to begin receiving notifications for new job postings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.